This guy said, just started last week, got 3 colognes and 3 AirPods, got them all sold. That is really good work, and that can show how fast you can make money in reselling. And yeah, let's say he bought the AirPods for $30 each, right? So then he just spent $90. Then let's say he bought 3 colognes, these 3 right here, 40 each. That's what I would charge. So we got 120 plus 90, that's 210. All right. Let's say he sells each of these for $100. That is $600 minus the 210. That's so much money. He already made $390 profit. He can reinvest his money twice. And yeah, that's a really good deal. You can see this guy making a good money for his buck. And if you guys want any of these suppliers, comment the word vendor and I'll send you over my free vendor. And yeah, let's work.